Welcome to this online training video by HAG Ltd, the door specialists. We are proud to be recognised as an approved REBA continuing professional development training provider and a valued part of their network of providers. The aim of this video is to provide a comprehensive guide to industrial doors, aiming to enrich your understanding and provide up-to-date insights on the relevant legislation and regulations. Our objective is to equip you with the necessary knowledge to specify these products in accordance with your needs and legal responsibilities. We will delve into the diverse applications of industrial doors and their significance in planning for new constructions or installations, whether it's to meet security needs or improve environmental aspects like thermal insulation. Our discussion will cover adherence to statutory and regulatory standards, highlighting how these products can assist in fulfilling the criteria outlined in Building Regulations 2010, British Standards, and the inclusion of fire protection in the alignment with Approved Document Part B, noting that roller shutters fall into the category of doors, and as such does not fall within the remit of Part B, Regulation 7, Paragraph 2. See gov.uk Part B for full details. We'll also touch upon topics such as the UK Conformity Assessed Mark, UKCA, EU standards where relevant, the Building Safety Act, and the Fire Safety Order, which became effective in January 2023. We will delve into the essential legislation related to inclusive environments, including approved documents M and K, and guide you on how to integrate these requirements into your specifications. Furthermore, we will address the influence of the Health and Safety Executive's Construction Design and Management Regulations, which were introduced in 2015, and equip you with the knowledge needed to identify potential risks and hazards associated with these products. Our discussion will also aid you in evaluating and ensuring the safety of design and manufacturing processes. We will explore the crucial subject of sustainable architecture and construction in today's world and provide you with pertinent information to help you make informed choices. We will provide in-depth insights into the technical distinctions among different products, including customised specifications, aesthetics, accessibility in accordance with the Equality Act 2010 and Approved Document M guidelines, and energy performance. We will touch on the pivotal area of fire safety, though none of the industrial products discussed today are fire protection products. Please see our separate CPD on this topic that will assist you further. This will involve offering clear and succinct technical insights into the products, the materials employed, suitability of their intended purpose, and how this precise and resilient data can support your broader design perspective, while ensuring the practical requirements of the fire strategy plan are met. Our discussion will be aligned with the recommendations and guidelines presented in British Standards BS 9999 for commercial properties and BS 9991 for residential homes. Lastly, we will address two critical points. Inappropriate applications. We'll provide examples of how incorrect technical information could potentially result in unsafe or imprudent specifications, and offer guidance on adjusting these for suitable applications. Long-term maintenance. We'll discuss what you should contemplate and incorporate into your design and specifications to ensure the ongoing maintenance of the products. Following this, we will conclude the training video and transition to the assessment questions to evaluate your comprehension of the topics covered. Let's start by introducing industrial doors and exploring how various products can be employed to fulfill specific requirements. Industrial doors are engineered for high levels of security, efficiency, user-friendliness, and dependability. They find widespread applications in various settings, including public buildings, fire and ambulance stations, manufacturing facilities, agricultural structures, industrial units, and office parks. Ranges of industrial doors include single skin roller shutters, Insurance Certified insulated roller shutters, compact insulated roller shutter, insulated double skin industrial roller shutter, overhead sectional industrial doors, and bifolding industrial doors. Industrial roller shutters offer an exceptionally high level of security and are built using a single skin horizontal curved steel lathe, connected by hinges to form a flexible curtain. These shutters offer versatile design options to accommodate ventilation, achieved by integrating a portion of perforated steel while maintaining its top-tier security. This industrial roller shutter features robust 76mm curved galvanized steel sections, available in 3 thickness options to match the opening size and security requirements. A roller shutter curtain is mounted on a barrel, which serves as the central rolling mechanism. This barrel is located in a box-like structure called the canopy at the top of the opening. Side rails serve as guides to ensure the shutter is secure and moves smoothly in a straight line. Before specifying roller shutters, it's essential to evaluate the available headroom, because the barrel and canopy of a roller shutter may not be suitable for all areas. Touching on the topic of steel, manufacturers should recognise the benefits of using sustainable materials. Manufacturing products that align with government regulations and show a broader consideration for their impact on social and environmental aspects. This aligns with principles embraced by designers and architects in programs such as BREEAM. Tata's latest published figures confirm that their steel has on average a recycled content of 17%. The most frequently encountered applications are those where strength and cost effectiveness take precedence, including loading bay doors in industrial facilities, warehouse doors, car parks, agricultural premises, and industrial units. Key dimensions are shown here. The shutter headbox is made from 0.91mm galvanized pressed steel, available in various designs. For industrial motor units, there are integrated travel limits, thermal cutout, and a hall chain override for power failures, complete with safety brakes to prevent closure in case of motor failure. A chain override function or a high-level hand crank override is available if necessary. A manual override, accessible from one side, operates the shutter during power failures. For manual operation, a counterbalanced helical spring, managed by a hand chain with a chain lock, controls the industrial shutter, and a double spring unit in the barrel assembly acts as a chain-operated anti-fall device to prevent closure in case of a single spring failure. Electric operation uses a standard push-button control with customizable controls, and additional safety devices can be added as needed for specific requirements and operational conditions. Industrial doors, like other products, must bear the UK CA marking if they are intended to be placed on the market in Great Britain. This applies to doors that are newly manufactured or imported into the UK. UK CA marking indicates that the product meets the applicable UK regulatory requirements for safety, health, and environmental protection. Please note that CE marking and reversed epsilon markings for products in the UK will not be accepted beyond the 31st of December 2024 or the 30th of June 2025 for construction products. Released in late 2023, you can now specify an Insurance Certified insulated roller shutter where the flat lathe shutters conform to LPS1175, Issue 8, and are manufactured by specification to meet security and insurance levels SR2 through to SR4. LPS 1175 is a certification awarded by the LPCB, Loss Prevention Certification Board, and serves as a benchmark for evaluating the ability of physical security products to withstand attack attempts. This standard assesses the resistance of security equipment against forced entry, considering factors such as the tools used, their size and type, and the duration assailants are willing to invest in attempting to breach the security. LPS 1175 takes into consideration the mindset of potential criminals and terrorists, assessing what level of investment they are prepared to make and the risks they are willing to undertake. The aim is to match the delay of security measures with the time needed to detect an intrusion and effectively respond, leading to the intruder's capture. If you are seeking to specify industrial roller shutters that excel in security, thermal insulation and hold insurance certification, this is the ideal product for your requirements. For enhanced thermal insulation, consider the curved lath roller shutter, typically crafted from 2 layers of robust 95mm curved galvanized steel, filled with a CFC-free foam insulation. This shutter is compact and a much lighter weight option. It undergoes wind load testing as per BSEN 13241, providing an acoustic reduction of 28 decibels at 1 kHz. This product is ideal for settings prioritising soundproofing and security, whilst offering an exceptionally high level of insulation. An insulated double-skin industrial shutter typically incorporates a flat steel twin-skin design filled with CFC-free foam insulation. These shutters provide an excellent thermal value and offers an acoustic reduction as shown here. They comply with the extensive load testing standard BSEN 13241. These insulated shutters employ a continuous nylon end locking system and include a weatherproof profile integrated into the bottom section, enhancing both reliability and performance. A brush strip can be added at a higher level to minimise air circulation between the lintel and the roller shutter headplate. Furthermore, robust, clear PVC panels can be seamlessly integrated into a flat roller shutter lathe that has cutouts to allow for through vision, whilst not compromising high levels of security. There are various configurations possible, depending on the amount of through vision required. Key technical information can be viewed here. The recommended finish for this product is HP 200 Plastisol, to match the building cladding as it provides superior weather resistance and long-lasting colour retention, while powder coating to a standard RAL or BS4 800 offers a broader colour range. It is not recommended. Due to the product's design and weight, it tends to scuff during the rolling process, which could potentially impact the warranty offered. Industrial overhead sectional doors are typically large, vertically moving doors that are suitable for a diverse range of settings. There are 2 main types, depending on the available space and headroom at the opening. With the first option, the doors operate by moving vertically upwards and then horizontally along tracks parallel to the ceiling, ultimately resting parallel to the ceiling when fully open. This design allows for efficient use of space both inside and outside the building. In situations where interior ceiling space is constrained by elements like pipes, storage or ventilation units, a vertically moving door along a track inside the building can be employed. This door lifts directly along the front inside wall of the building, eliminating the need for any significant interior space. Overhead sectional industrial doors are known for their durability, security features and ease of operation, making them suitable for various industrial applications such as warehouses, loading docks and large commercial facilities. For manual doors, push-up and chain operated, the counterbalance and cable system allows for quiet and straightforward operation. Electrical operation is available, offering a variety of operator options to accommodate the specific needs of clients. The door sections are crafted from double-skin steel sections filled with PU foam made from hot galvanized steel with a depth of 40mm and finger trap protection. Alternatively, there is an 80mm depth option for increased performance or larger sizes. These panels are available in 2 textures, stucco and micrograin, and can be finished in various RAL colours. Panel heights are visible on screen now. The standard outer panels consist of 0.5mm thick high-quality zinc-coated steel sheets, tested to meet Class 1 surface spreader flame standards, as shown here. They can also be supplied in aluminium if needed. The panel is insulated with CFC-free foam at a density of 40 kg per metre cubed. For optimal weather protection, the sectional door panel features an interlocking hinged joint with a high-quality seal running the full length. The panel achieves the shown U values. Additional thermal performance can be enhanced by adding a thermo frame with a sound reduction rating of 24 decibels. The industrial overhead sectional door panels, external and internal faces, are available in polyester powder coating in a range of colours. The external face is also available in a standard range of plastisol colours. The panel hardware includes adjustable, galvanised steel roller carriers equipped with self-lubricating bearings, along with intermediate galvanised panel hinges. For harsh environments, stainless steel fittings can be provided as a bespoke specification. A sectional overhead door features a counterbalance system designed for smooth and effortless operation. This counterbalance system includes high tensile helical wound steel springs mounted on a steel shaft. These springs have undergone heat treatment to boost their performance, allowing for approximately 50,000 cycles of reliable operation. Minimizing shaft friction is accomplished through the utilization of brackets and guide rollers equipped with top-quality sealed bearings. Additionally, cable drums are affixed to the spring shaft, supporting aircraft-grade cables that boast a 7-to-1 safety margin. These cables are expertly looped and secured using specialised machinery to ensure the integrity of all connections, whether during standard daily use or under more demanding conditions throughout the door's operational lifespan. As part of full compliance with CE legislation, spring brake devices are installed. The galvanised door tracks are meticulously crafted and engineered to guarantee the seamless movement of the bearings. This is achieved by securely mounting them on galvanised steel angles using an exclusive stud welding system, which ensures a rock-solid seal to the building. The tracks require no on-site adjustments. Furthermore, all doors are equipped with cable brake devices to meet CE marking requirements. To achieve an optimal on-site installation, each sectional door guide track is custom manufactured to accommodate the specific site conditions, considering variations in headroom and roof pitch that may differ for each installation. Every sectional door is designed with seals along the outer edges and intermediate panels, ensuring a superior and durable weather seal when all fixing surfaces, floors and lintels are flush and square. You should be provided with a diverse selection of manual and electric operation options for sectional overhead doors, including various safety equipment and features designed to safeguard individuals and vehicles, preventing accidents and unnecessary damage to your door. Additional customised specification choices might encompass double and triple glazed windows, featuring a diverse array of configurations and designs, trip-free threshold wicket personnel doors, safety equipment, operator options, and personalised graphic advertising solutions. Bifolding industrial doors offer exceptional insulation and security, making them the most robust and durable choice for industrial door systems. They are designed with multiple sections or panels that are hinged together in pairs, allowing the door to fold in on itself as it opens. This folding mechanism enables the door to open horizontally, making it suitable for areas where there may be limited space for a traditional swinging or overhead door. Bifolding industrial doors are often used in settings such as fire stations, ambulance stations, warehouses, aircraft hangars, and large commercial buildings where there is a need for a wide and easily accessible opening. The folding design also allows for partial opening, providing flexibility in controlling access and ventilation. Crafted from sturdy galvanised steel with an inserted CFC-free polyurethane foam, these doors can feature an outer skin in either plastic-coated or 0.6mm thick galvanised steel with a profiled design. The pressure-cast polyurethane foam used is completely free of freon, making these doors the most robust and resilient in their class. The reinforced stretch frame, constructed from 5mm thick steel, includes anchor profiles to enhance the strength of locks, hinges and mountings, ensuring unmatched durability. Fixings that are intended for operational purposes have been designed with an emphasis on simplicity and robust construction to ensure minimal maintenance costs and a long lifespan concerning operational performance, corrosion resistance, energy efficiency and more. KGJQ standard hinge. Typically used in conjunction with a 100 by 100mm steel plate door sill affixed to the floor. With each door movement, this hinge effectively clears the steel door from the floor, maintaining a flat and clean sealing surface. This hinge offers vertical adjustability. 3D hinge. Suitable for level floors or situations where the floor slopes towards the door. It provides multi-dimensional adjustment and lifting capabilities. A roller bearing moves along the track, lifting the door during operation to achieve vertical and lateral sealing adjustments. All electric operated bifolding doors are automatic locking, and the manual operation option can be locked as standard on the inside using a padlock or an external chromone bolt. As an extra, the chromone bolt can be fitted with a cylinder lock for additional protection. It is important that the door is equipped with a sealing system that withstands aging, and that is why there will be 4 different corner sealing joints placed around the door. The rubber sealing system gives the door the market's best insulation and tightness tested values for insulation. The sealing system for bifolding industrial doors can comply with the top European requirement, but at 3 times the pressure as previously mentioned. Windows can be arranged in various combinations and sizes within the door panel as an additional feature. The standard windows come with aluminium frames, which can be optionally powder coated. All window frames are designed with an open thermal bridge, and they feature toughened insulated double glazed glass as the standard choice to provide insulation. The motor is straightforward, dependable and exceptionally long lasting, essentially eradicating maintenance expenses. There are 2 motor unit versions available, designed to close at rates of 8 or 12 seconds. This selection minimises heat loss by aligning the motor speed with your access speed, whether it's for vehicles or pedestrians. In the open position, manual doors utilise a door holder for safety, which holds the door leaves securely. The door holder engages and locks when the door is opened and must be manually disengaged before closing. Inward opening doors, on the other hand, can be equipped with a gas spring-controlled door holder featuring a semi-automatic opening mechanism. Once the set time limit is reached, the door holder deactivates, enabling the door to close automatically, without the need for any special actions. Electric doors will self-hold open when required. A useful safety factor is that the door movement is halted by sensors integrated into the sealing system. These sensors activate when an object contacts the rubber seal, causing the door's movement to disengage. Various bespoke specifications of industrial bifolding doors can be viewed here. Here is a summary table to show the different products performing across multiple critical criteria, including examples of application. Please pause the video now to read the information in full. When incorrectly specified, industrial doors and shutters can have a devastating effect on a building's insulation system and its carbon footprint. We can offer various solutions that are a great compromise to enhance energy performance and can seamlessly integrate into your building designs. Here are a few examples of what you can do to address this key issue. Specifying an enhanced thermal performance, selecting electronic over manual operation, the appropriate use of glazing panels, sizing of the door sets. Here is a summary of the U values that can be achieved using the various products introduced to you today. Specifying the right industrial door or shutter is a crucial decision for any business or industrial facility. These components serve as vital interfaces between the internal and external environments of a structure, playing an indispensable role in ensuring safety, security, and operational efficiency. Here are the key components of consideration to guarantee your correct specification and avoid any inappropriate applications. Security. Industrial doors and shutters are the first line of defence against unauthorised access, theft and vandalism. Specifying the appropriate level of security ensures the protection of valuable assets, equipment and, most importantly, the safety of employees. Safety and compliance. Different industries have distinct safety and regulatory requirements. Choosing the right door or shutter whether it is fire resistant, insulated or impact resistant, is crucial for ensuring compliance with safety codes and standards. Energy efficiency. Industrial doors can significantly impact energy consumption. Proper insulation and sealing reduce heat loss, making the facility more energy efficient and cost effective in the long run. Operations and productivity. The type of door or shutter can affect the flow of goods and people in and out of a facility. Optimal designs can streamline operations and increase productivity. Durability and maintenance. Choosing doors and shutters built to withstand the specific conditions of the facility can minimise maintenance costs and downtime, ensuring long-term reliability. In conclusion, specifying the right industrial door or shutter is paramount for safeguarding assets, ensuring safety, complying with regulations, enhancing energy efficiency, optimising operations, and maintaining long-term durability. Making an informed choice in this regard is an investment in the overall success and security of any industrial facility. When selecting industrial doors and shutters with a focus on long-term maintenance, several key factors should be carefully considered. Durability of materials, including assessing the need for corrosion-resistant options. Designs that allow for straightforward maintenance procedures, such as lubrication or component replacement. Prioritise products that are reliable and have a good reputation for the highest quality to ensure long-term cost-effectiveness and operational continuity. Industrial doors and shutters should be designed and installed to enable immediate access to all aspects of the product, facilitating routine inspections by the building's maintenance team, as well as providing convenient and swift access for more extended maintenance tasks. By consistently maintaining and testing your industrial doors, you can ensure that your facility aligns with the Health and Safety Act of 1974, which mandates that all equipment must meet the following criteria: appropriate for its intended purpose, safe for use, in proper working condition, undergoing a scheduled maintenance programme. Furthermore, as per Regulation 5 of the Workplace Health, Safety and Welfare Regulations 1992, it is essential to routinely examine, test, adjust, lubricate, repair and clean all powered doors as necessary. We will now be looking at important aspects of legislation and regulations and making sure we've got fire safety covered. Property owners are obligated to adhere to specific laws to mitigate the spread of flames or smoke. Current legislation states that industrial roller shutters and doors, as covered by this CPD, are not classed as emergency exits, and alternative specifications should be made to ensure that your fire protection needs are met. In November 2019, the UK government implemented new legislation requiring all fire products to undergo testing to meet the BSEN 16034 standard and be CE marked to BSEN 13421. It is now illegal to use products tested to the 2008 standard. While this may not have a direct impact on your specification of industrial doors, it is crucial that you stay informed about the current legislation and the 2019 standard to ensure compliance and awareness. The Building Safety Act 2022, introduced in July 2021, is now in effect, aiming to reform building safety legislation. Stemming from Dame Judith Hackett's 2018 review following the Grenfell Tower incident, the Act is part of the government's broader efforts to improve building safety, alongside the Fire Safety Act 2021. It seeks to enhance both actual and perceived safety in homes, ushering in substantial changes to building, planning, construction and management. The Fire Safety Act 2021, formerly known as the Fire Safety Bill, received royal assent on April 29, 2021. It aims to enhance accountability by clarifying safety responsibilities from building design to occupancy. The Act amends the regulatory reform, Fire Safety Order 2005, to explicitly address risks related to external facades and flat entrance doors. This legislative change, influenced by the Grenfell Inquiry, includes Regulation 7 Part 2 in Approved Documents Part B, providing comprehensive guidance on fire safety, covering escape routes, fire spread, structural protection, and restricting combustible materials in external walls. For a detailed summary, visit www.gov.uk. Additional crucial legislation pertains to inclusive environments. An inclusive environment acknowledges and adapts to variations in how individuals interact with constructed and natural surroundings. It promotes respectful, equitable, and user-friendly access for all, avoiding physical or social divisions, discrimination or isolation. It readily embraces and caters to a wide range of user requirements. Approved Document M provides guidelines for ensuring compliance with building regulations. It covers topics relating to providing convenient access to and usability of buildings, including facilities for individuals with disabilities and ensuring ease of movement within a building. As mentioned earlier, one can modify industrial shutters and doors by incorporating vision panels at different heights. This adaptation allows sight access for someone standing or, for instance, a wheelchair user at a lower level. Approved Document K addresses safeguards against falling, collisions and impacts, encompassing features like stairways, ladders, ramps, guarding and vehicle barriers for various building types. BS8 300-1 serves as a code of practice pertaining to inclusive design, strategic site planning and building layout. Meanwhile, BS8 300-2 focuses on designing an accessible and inclusive built environment. It is important to consider all these components in light of the Equality Act 2010 to ensure compliance with legal requirements and promote inclusivity. The Health and Safety Executive's Construction, Design and Management Regulations 2015, CDM 2015, covers the management of health, safety and welfare when undertaking construction projects. Whatever your role in construction, CDM 2015 aims to improve health and safety in the industry. Key examples are shown here. Virtually everyone involved in a construction project has legal duties under CDM 2015, and these duty holders are defined in full on their website www.hse.gov.uk. In summary, when specifying industrial door products and adhering to the designer's primary responsibilities, it's crucial to extensively research and select products that meet the specified criteria. These measures are essential to ensure that legal, safe, compliant and rigorously tested products are specified to mitigate any potential risks during construction, product usage and maintenance once the building works are completed. As a second-generation family business, HAG continues to value the foundations that were originally laid down in 1983. Our committed team work together to provide high quality of workmanship, reliability and integrity. We specialise in a wide variety of door solutions in the following areas: security, fire, automatic and environmental doors. As a respected manufacturer and installer, we take pride in all the stages of our work, from the design of a door system, manufacturing, through to the installation and commissioning, ensuring that the same high standards are consistent throughout the process. HAG are the preferred supplier for many of the UK's emergency services, including the Fire and Rescue Services, NHS, Police and the Coast Guard. We cover the entire UK, and we are also an international supplier, having shipped products to St Helena, the most remote island in the world, Nigeria, St Lucia and Bahrain, amongst many others. As members of the Door and Hardware Federation, Automatic Door Suppliers Association, Safe Contractor and Construction Line, HAG is committed to providing a superior level of service and adhering to all associations' codes of conduct. Our products are mainly constructed using British sourced materials where possible, and our fire protection products are independently tested by a third party, Warrington Fire. We are one of a very limited number of specialist installers in the UK to hold Warrington Fire's highly sought after Fire Risk certification for fire roller shutters and installation of fire protection products. HAG can provide full technical specifications to help you select the right products for you, and we can be found on REBA Product Selector, the NBS and the National BIM Library. HAG operate 24/7, 365 days a year across England, Wales and Scotland. We provide a skilled service and repair engineers who are qualified to NVQ Level 2 to provide responsive and effective solutions. HAG are proud to have been part of a wide variety of projects around the world and working as a trusted partner with leading construction companies. We have many case studies documenting the projects that we have been involved in and examples of our work. We would be happy to provide these to you. Please contact us after this training video. That concludes the main part of this REBA approved CPD training video. We have covered the following areas, as initially set out. Introduced you to industrial doors and shutters and their technical specifications. Discussed how different products can be used to fulfil your needs, including bespoke specifications, accessibility, energy performance, and long-term maintenance. Discuss statutory and regulatory compliance, including the ever-focal area of fire safety. Considered how products can be specified to meet your inclusive environment's needs. Talked about sustainability. Discussed how to avoid inappropriate applications. We hope that you have enjoyed this training from HAG Ltd, the door specialist today. Please take time to look at our range of CPD material on the topics of fire protection products and steel doors. Look out for future CPD material on speed doors and roller shutters, coming soon. If you have any feedback, please do contact us. For up-to-date industry news and to find out more about us, please follow us on social media, where you'll mainly find us on LinkedIn. You will now move on to the assessment questions to check your understanding of the material covered today.